Hello there, this is the last video in this prepayments and accruals series. This video will be so brief and easy because if you've watched from the beginning, then you'll know all about prepayments and accruals, and I would have been through the prepayment examples with you. Accruals is so much easier than prepayments, as you'll learn in this example and as you learned in the previous videos. This will be nice and brief. We've got one example here, and that's accounting fees. So let's say for the year 31st of December 2026, the accounting costs for the year were 960, and these were billed, say, in March 2027. So they're billed after the year end, but relate to the year. So 31st of December 2026, but billed in 2027. There's no need to apportion the cost between months. This isn't a prepayment. And this is generally the hardest part of prepayments, is this apportioning, splitting between the periods, dividing between year ends or month ends. There's none of that with an accrual. We just want to bring the full cost that's relevant to the financial year into the financial year. So this calculation that we were doing for prepayments is not needed. All we simply do is two journals, one dated the end of the year, 31st December 2026, then one dated at the start of the next financial year, 1st of January 2027 in this example. And it's debit accounting expense to show the expense in the 2026 accounts, and then the accruals is a liability. So debit the expense, credit the liability. In the next financial year, we simply reverse that. So we debit the accruals liability, clearing off that accruals balance, and we credit the accounting expense. Nice and easy. Thank you so much for watching this series, 4-part series. It's now time to move on to something else, which I'm excited for. If this series has been helpful, like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. Even if you put in the comment box, thank you for the series, thank you for the video. It is much appreciated. All interactions are appreciated. Thank you so much, and I'll speak to you in another video.